Welcome back to Wild Pines Farm. Today we have a harvest video for you and we're going to be harvesting our garlic. Baby. Typically you want to take these scapes off a week or two before you harvest, but it shouldn't be a big deal. And we're going to let some of these continue to flower and we're going to save seed from them. Alright, so we got about 65 or so of the red German or German red garlic. So that's a standard hardneck garlic. And then we've also got, new to us, a elephant garlic. Just a good bit larger. So this is the first time we're growing that. And these are some of the babies, I guess, that divided off of the main plant. So we'll be saving a lot of these seeds to plant out this fall. Also eating a lot and maybe selling some at market. Alright, so that's going to do it for the garlic harvest. We got about 65 of the red Germans and like 6, 7 of the elephant garlic. So yeah, tune in next time and maybe we'll have a different harvest for you coming soon. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.